There is a saying that goes, Ashukur Avakir Kasiyam Asayam. I believe that's the way it goes. Basically means the remembrance of the grateful is like the fasting of the faster. And this will resonate with a lot of women like myself who are unable to fast, or for whatever reason, there are some who are unable to, just diabetics and whatnot. And this is basically saying how when we are thankful, this is just as good as fasting if it is with remembrance of Allah and towards Allah. And in this way, we can see how fikr, which is deep contemplation when it comes to the Quran, and also dhikr, remembering Allah constantly. Even the Quran itself is a form of dhikr, reminding us of our Creator, of our purpose. And then being thankful again for this is just as good as the fasting. And this is heavy for me as someone who cannot fast or stop fasting. And so it helps to think about this in terms of inspiring us to read as much as we can, or engage as much as we can with the Quran. For more tips like this, follow a Soulmate Sis, and I will be sharing regular check-ins with where I'm at with my Quran journey, as well as